The elder plant, botanically known as Sambucus nigra, grows as a bush or a shrub. It's abundant throughout the UK in the woods and along the roadside hedgerows. From late May to mid-June, you'll see masses of tiny white flowers hanging in sprays, which later develop into purple elderberries later in the summer. The elderflowers are short-lived, so you can only get it for about 6 weeks of the year, so you need to hurry up to pick your flowers. The best time to pick the flowers are very early in the morning after the morning dew on a very dry day. I picked my flowers very early this morning, and I intend to make some Elderflower Cordial, which is a kind of syrup which you can dilute with water. You can add wine, or you can even... I've got some sugar, some lemon, and 500 ml of water. I start by pouring all the sugar in the pan with the water and heating it up until it starts to boil. I'm stirring it to help to dissolve the sugar. Try to shake the flowers out a bit to remove any of the insects, and also pick them to take out any of the stalks. You can even use a scissors if it helps. I think it's actually faster with the scissors. You can see all that's left is just the hard stalks. I am now peeling the lemon. I'm using the peel as well as the juice. All these are now put in the bowl with the flowers. The sugar and water syrup is now ready because it's boiled and there are no grits at the bottom. So this liquid can now be poured over the flowers, the lemon juice, and the peel. Stir this mixture and then place a clean towel over the bowl and leave it for 48 hours. After 48 hours is now ready, place a muslin cloth over a clean bowl. I've used an elastic band to hold it in place, and then you can now start draining the liquid. Once you finish, gently take off the cloth and see if you can squeeze some more of the juice in the bowl. Sterilize the bottle using hot water, and then you can use a funnel to pour the liquid into the bottle. This can now be sealed and placed in the fridge for about 4 weeks. If you want it to last longer, then you have to freeze it. Maybe put it in a plastic and freeze it. I'm putting the leftover in plastic bags, and these I'm going to freeze. I mean, these are very good for using in your fruit cocktails, or you want to make a drink. This will take the place of the ice. And that's how to make your elderflower cordial. If you've loved watching my video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video. Thanks a lot.